नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। What though the field is lost, all is not lost, the unconquerable will and the study of revenge, immortal hate, and the courage never to submit or yield. Mr. President, let the audience know that every seed that sprouts, every flower that blossoms, every wave that glides, every star that twinkles, every dawn that breaks, every snow that falls, and every rain that rains, pronounces highly and announces loudly that hell is inside us, and so is heaven. Mr. President, the Prince of Machiavelli, the poetry of Allama Iqbal, the dirty politics of Nehru, the positive politics of Quaid-e-Azam, the struggle of Gandhi and the efforts of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan proclaim that hell is inside us, and so is heaven. Mr. President, from the drama of firstborn on the screen of first creation to the interesting guilt of the creation of universe, from asking the angels to go before Adam, from making man the in charge of heaven to appointing them as caretakers on him, from jumping through your blessing to the fire of Namrud, to the mountain of Mansur, on gallows from the victory of brother to the victims of Karbala, every commandment of Kun Fayakun, every incident of history and every particle of universe claim that hell is inside us, and so is heaven. Mr. President, what happens when a man focuses on the hell inside him? History says that when a man chooses to hit the hell inside him, there happened the fall of Troy, the attacks on Pearl Harbor, the atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and the decline of great Roman and Persian empire, of Mughal kingdom and of Ottoman era. I weep upon the fall of Jerusalem. I weep upon the fall of Damascus. I weep upon the fall of Dhaka. I fall upon the thorns of life. I bleed. Oh, Mr. President, my Kashmir is bleeding, my Palestine is bleeding, and my Karbala is still bleeding. Mr. President, is it not the irony of nature that from very start there arose an objection on the creation of man? Then Shaitan refused to walk before Adam. Then Adam was turned down on the earth. He had to go before idols of 1,000 times. Changiz and Halaku Khan built the minares of the dead body, sometimes swooped away by the floods, sometimes wiped away by the pandemic, and sometimes sold out in the bazaars of Egypt. But, Mr. President, when I realized the heaven inside me, I became Moses and stood against Peruah. I became Socrates and drank poison. I became Galileo. I became Archimedes. I became Hindi, Rumi and Razi. I became Karni, Sadi and Shirazi. When I realized the heaven inside me, and I choose to become Rashid Minhas Bhatti, to become Lalatan, to become Aziz Bhatti Shaheed, because I will believe it is neither circumstances nor material things that decide, but it's our determination that decides either we want hell inside us or heaven. Mind is its own place, and in itself can make heaven of hell and hell of heaven. Thank you.